Again, no need for you to stand up. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy, okay? Okay, children, this time I want you to shout. Rocky, please come out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Are you ready to see Rocky? Here's Rocky. What are you doing? Rocky, no! Okay na daw. Nakatas ka na, laglag agad. Okay lang, it's okay, okay.
Sit down.
Okay, children. Everybody say hi, Rocky. Now, Rocky, you say hi. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. I don't want to say hi. You don't want to say hi. Yes, what do you want to say? Hello. Say hello. Hello. Hello, nasaan ka na? Late ka na. Hoy. Late ka. Okay, Rocky, ganito na lang. Introduce yourself to everyone. Okay. How? What do you mean how? Parang ako. Sige, tuturuan kita. Follow me. Where? Anong where? Ay, may sundan mo ko. Saka ko kanta. Ano saan pupunta? Sikaw! Hey, stop! Ang kulit eh. Sige. Okay, Rocky. Ganito na lang. Okay, Rocky. How old are you? I'm not old.
Oh no!
I know you're not old. I mean your age. For example po like me, I'm 29 na. Oy, 40 ka na. Oy. Wala pa akong 40. Wala ta. Stop it! We're not talking about me. We're talking about you. Hindi sa po wala pa akong 40. Okay? Okay, stop. Rocky, how old are you? Second. Okay, sabihin mo lang, you are 7 years old. I am 7 years old. Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up? 8 years old. Oy. 8 years old. You mas malaki pa. 16 years old. Stop it! I mean, pag-adult ka na. Like you, 40. No. Ang sinasabi ko, Rocky, pag ganito ka lang kalaki sa akin, ano gagawin mo? Ganyan kalaki. Yes, ano gagawin mo? Magda-diet. Oy. Gandaan ka lang, marami kami dito. Magsa-diet na kayo. Oy. Wait, Rocky, we are here today because we are celebrating the birthday of birthday ko. No! Hindi mo birthday. Alam ka na, ano? Birthday niya. Bakit? Ngayon na tayo, eh. Asal? It's okay. Whose birthday is it? Where's Ria? Where's Ria? Ria! Ayun, tawagin si Ria. Ayun. Ria! Ria, sumukuha ka na. Nakakaligiran na kita. Hoy! Stop it! Where's Ria? Ha? Where's Ria? Ria! Ayun, nandun. Palabas na. Ria! Ria! Nandiyan na siya. Hoy, huwag mo na takot. Let's greet Ria. Say Ria. Ria, say happy. Ria! Happy New Year! Stop! This is a New Year party. Sa si Ria. Ria, say happy. Alak ka na. Ano? Ria! Happy Halloween! Stop it! This is not the Halloween party. Talaga? Yes. Bakit yan dito ka? Hey. Si Ria, happy birthday. Ria, happy birthday. God bless you. Kata mo lang si Ria ng happy birthday. Okay. Ready? Ready? Go! Sing! Ako magsasabi na sing. Ready? Sing! Ano na naman yun? Okay, ready? Sing! Sorry sang hekoy lang. Sorry sang hekoy lang. Stop it! What are you singing? Happy birthday. Parang Chinese song yan. In Chinese. In Chinese. Paano ka natuto ng happy birthday in Chinese? Kakano? Diyos ka na nga. Linggo-linggo na lang. Puro Chinese client natin. Sige na, sige na. Just sing it in English. Okay. Ready? Ready? Go. Sing. Ako masasabi ng sing. Okay, ready? Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, just sit down.
Oh no!
Oh no. Rocky.
Oh no!
Rocky? 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 Ay! Nagulat. Wait, ano tinitignan mo sa taas? May langgam. Asan? Wala na, lisang tagal mo. Uy. Sige na, Rocky, just sing the last praise. Ano yan? Praise the Lord. No! That's the greatest praise yung sinasabi niya. Happy birthday, Ria! Ikaw na lang. Bakit? Kaya mo nang kalay eh. Okay, ready? Just sing the last praise. Happy birthday! Oh, ano naman yan? Kanina to, ano yan? Ate, ano yan? Picture, picture daw po. Si ate yan, picture. Okay na. Ate, tago ako ha. Hoy, nagpapatag ko pa talaga. Okay na, just sing the last phrase. Happy birthday! Ano ulit ang ngalan? Ayun ang Maria, Lane, or Ria. Okay, ready? Ready, go! Sigurado ka? Yes, I'm sure. Ready, go! Happy birthday, Ria! Dulot ako ngay! Nakatos ko. Ayan. Okay na. Thank you, kuya. Matay mo yun, ha? Kaya sige na, mag-bye-bye ka na. Tanggalin ko na. Ano yun? Yung isa sa katos. Ay, ito pala. Pinaglamapan ng anak mo yan. Sige na, mag-bye-bye ka na. Not yet. Why? Kaya ka talent. Ay, yung ba talent? Okay, what's your talent? I can do. Magic. Sige, mag-magic ka. Ladies and gentlemen. Look at my eyes. Tukoy yung eyes. Tukoy eyes. Hindi ako kukurap. Walang magic doon. Ito talaga. What else? Different sounds of animals. Different sounds of animals. Yes. What can you do? Dog. Okay to the dog. Ready? Dog. Dog. What happened to the dog? Nakita ng cat. Nakita ng cat. What else? Cat. Okay, now to the cat. Listen, watch this. Oh, ano yan? Okay. Rio. Rio. Rocky. Wait, what happened to the cat? Nahulog sa kugong. Nahulog sa bubong. Bakit nahulog? Inagulat to. What else? Dinosaur. Wait. Dinosaur. Yes. Masakit sa lalamunan yun. Kaya ko ka. Kaya ko pa. Dinosaur. Cover your ears. Come on. Cover your ears. Dinosaur. Takagin tayo na. Come on. Ready? Dinosaur. I love you. You love me. Stop! That's Barney. It's a dinosaur. Okay, sige na, Rocky. Pag-bye-bye ka na, magbaw ka na. Bow. Hindi ganyan. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop it! So there, 1, 2, 3, then take a bow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, very good. Now to the right. Sigurado ka. Yes, I'm sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Face right. Sorry ko. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Very good. Now to the left. To the left, yes. To the left, to the left. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, sorry. Yes, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Everybody clap your hands for Rocky! Happy birthday! Where's Ria? You wanna... Come on, Ria. Let's take picture. Ayaw niya. Talaga. Nahugot ako din. Okay, stop it. Go, let's go. Come Rocky. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so that's it for the Magic Show and the Puppet Show. Happy birthday. Alright. Now let's move on to the most awaited part, the candle drawing ceremony. So listen, calling Mommy, Daddy, and Ria. Yeah, Mommy, Daddy, dito po tayo sa harap. Come on, and then lahat ng kids, I want you to stand up and gather here. Come on, lahat ng kids, just gather here.